Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M23, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go here into the settings application and then click here on the wallpaper and style. Now here you can see that we can select our new wallpaper from the our device wallpapers, the default ones, or for example downloaded from the internet if you have some downloaded wallpapers, or for example from your device gallery from your previously taken pictures. Here I will go with the regular one with the default ones, and now just click here, for example, to this wallpaper to set it, and tap here to lock screen because we wanna change the lock screen wallpaper. And now just click here to set on lock screen. Wait a second, here we got the message that wallpaper applied successfully to our device lock screen, and now we'll check. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. You just should hold for a while your device screen, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper and style section. By the same way we'll launch the wallpaper settings, just the display settings, and by the same way we can just change the wallpaper just by click here on the lock screen to set on lock screen. Wait a second, and as can you see, we just again change our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.